In the vast open skies, one sound commands attention: the cry of the falcon. With eyes sharper than any predator and wings built for speed, the falcon reigns as nature's fastest hunter. It dives at over 300 kilometers per hour. Yet behind this fierce power lies an unexpected side. A voice soft, playful, almost innocent. The falcon's gentle call to its young. Every sound tells a story of survival, of freedom, of life above the world below. This is the voice of the skies, the falcon, fierce yet beautifully alive. Hit like and subscribe for more amazing animal stories.